Literally anything is possible if you can think about it. Hi everyone, welcome back to IGTV, YouTube. I don't know where this is going. It's kind of going everywhere. I'm back in San Diego. Made it. But something I really want to talk about being that it is 2020. Yes, it's like the whole new year. I'm not going to say the whole new year, new me, blah, 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 whatever. But to be honest, a lot of people do start off the new year with new goals and new intentions and new ideas and new desires, new wants, and blah, 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 blah. List goes on. My point of this video is that you create your own reality. We all live in the reality that we can dream up. There is no such thing as being realistic. And that word, if you've been following me a long time, you know how I feel about the word realistic. It does not exist in my vocabulary. I do not let people I surround myself with use that word because what does that even mean? Oh, there's glare. Like, what does being realistic seriously mean? Anything, literally anything is possible if you can think about it. So I want you to take something that you have really been wanting for a long time. Now, I'm no magic genie. I can't make someone fall in love with you, but this does apply to kind of like a work-life balance. So if you have been, say you really want a new job, focus on this goal for the next 90 days and list all of the action steps that you need to take in order to get yourself there, right? So if you're someone who wants a new job, how many hours a day should you be delegating to searching for new jobs? How many hours a day should you be dedicating to creating cover letters, to sending in applications, to networking, right? There are a lot of different tasks that go into all of our goals. And one of the reasons many people fall short of goals is they don't properly allocate the daily actions, right? They're like, oh, I want a new goal, so my task is going to be to apply to jobs. Okay, but how many jobs per day are you going to apply to? How many people are you going to reach out to and network? I want you to create SMART goals, which is something that you learn in teaching school or leadership school, whatever that is. I can see myself in the camera. Set SMART goals, meaning that they're measurable, right? So you want to allocate a quantity to the amount of jobs that you're going to be applying for. You want to set a quantity to the amount of months left that you want to have at your job that you're currently at. So instead of just making and creating these generic goals for yourself, I want you to create a timeline, to put timestamps and to put numeric value on each of your goals. Because if you do that, you will see so much more of an increase in your goal accomplishments in this year in 2020. So this is something I'm really focusing on, and I'm just popping on to share that with you because I know that I have been able to leave my 9-to-5 job, create my own company, and design a life that I'm pretty much loving right now. And I want to share with you how you can do the same. So let me know what your goals are for 2020, and I'm gonna check in on you. So make sure